Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our English distance learning program. How are you today, everyone? I hope that you are doing fine. Okay, so let me continue to the lessons. What we're going to talk today. But before we start the new lesson, teacher just want to revise about the grammars what we learned yesterday. Okay, the grammar what we learned yesterday was about making questions with whose, right? Making question with whose. As we talked yesterday, when you want to know something belong to someone, and then we are going to use whose to ask. Okay, so let me practice with these four sentences as you can see here. So what you're gonna do is unscramble these questions. Unscramble these questions. Okay, I mean that this question is not already in order, so you need to make it in order. Alright, did you still remember about yesterday? If you want to ask the question, what do you put first? Okay, so number one is a bike. Whose that is? Okay, so when you want to make a question with whose, you're gonna start by whose, okay? And then plus what? Plus noun, okay? And then plus verb to be. Okay, so let's see number one. What do you answer? By whose that is? Okay, so the answer is, so let's check the answer with me if you're right or wrong. Okay, so the answer is whose bike is that? Whose bike is that? Okay, whose bike is that? Okay, number two, this whose bag is on the table. Again, this whose bag is on the table. Okay, it's a bit long, but let's try to think a bit. Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. Alright, so what is your answer? Let's check with me if you right or wrong. Okay, so you can say whose bag is this on the table? Whose bag is this on the table? Okay, let me go to number three. Under the table, whose cat is that? Under the table, whose cat is that? Okay, it's quite similar to number two. Okay, so what is your answer now? Ready? Okay, now let's check the answer with teacher. Alright, number three, you're going to say whose cat is that under the table? Whose cat is that under the table? Okay, whose cat is that under the table? Alright, let's go to number four. Toy car, whose that is? Toy car, whose that is? Okay, as we said, when you want to make a question, you need to start with whose, okay? So now you're going to say whose plus noun, toy car, right? Okay, so check the answer with me. Okay, so you're going to say whose toy car is that? Whose toy car is that? Okay, that's it for revision. So let me get started. Okay, let me get started to the lesson today. Alright, lesson today is still talking about making question with whose, okay? The same as yesterday. I'm gonna talk more over it. Okay, so now you can see two pictures here, okay? On the left and on the right. So on the left side, there are two sneakers, okay? And on the right side, there's only one sneaker. Okay, so when you want to know, okay, now asking about these sneakers on the left. So when you want to know about the sneaker belong to someone, you're gonna ask a question, okay? So can you ask a question to me? Yeah, you want to know this sneaker is belong to who, for who. Okay, so can you ask the question to me? All right, so let's ask together. Okay, so we're going to say whose sneakers are these? Okay, whose sneakers are these? Okay, answer. They are my sneakers. They are my sneakers. Okay, and the pictures on the right side, there's only one. Okay, you want to know that sneakers? You want to know that sneaker? Okay, it's belong to who? So check together. What kind of question you're gonna ask? Okay, so you're gonna say, whose sneaker is this? Whose sneaker is this? Okay, then you answer, it is my sneaker. It is my sneaker. Okay, so now can you see the differences? Something they're not the same when you are making the question like this. Okay, alright. So what you can see, I underline the sentence for you. Okay, so the first one you can see say, whose sneakers, okay, sneakers with S are these? Okay, sneaker with S here, why? Because look at the sneakers here, there are two, okay? So when something two up, you're gonna put S, okay? So we're gonna say whose sneakers, and then because it is plural, we don't use with is, but we use with are, okay? Are these? Okay, so again, whose sneakers are these? Again, when they are two up after the word whose, okay, you need to put S. And when you put S finish, you don't use is, but you use are, okay? Are. And here you don't say this, but these. These. Okay? Whose sneakers are these? Now look at this picture. They are the same or different? You say whose sneaker is this? Look at the word sneaker here. Because sneaker here has only one, okay? So we don't add letter S here, okay? Sneaker has only one. And here, you see, here you say are, but here we say is, okay? And here we say this, and here we say these. Okay, this is the difference, okay? And how to answer? Whose sneakers are these? So when you answer, you are going to say, they are my sneakers. They are. When you say they, something more than one, okay? Mean two up. So we use they. Can you say it is? Can you say it is my sneakers? No, because it is for only one, okay? So we use with they. Sneaker here asks for two up. So here you're gonna say they, not it is, okay? They are my sneakers with S. And how about this one? How do you answer? Whose sneaker is this? Then you say it is my sneaker. You see, it is, not they are, okay? When something only one, answer it is my sneakers. You see, sneaker here no S, but sneaker here has S, okay? Okay. To make it short, when you are asking a question with whose, with the plural noun, I mean a noun that has two up, you're gonna put S here, and then we say with are these, okay? Are these. But when the noun that has only one, you say whose plus noun, no S, okay? And then is this, not are these, okay? And when you answer, when they are two up, you're gonna say they are, okay? When there is only one, you say it is. Alright, so I hope that you got it. One more practice. Okay, now for example here called toy car. Okay, this is only one, and these are threes. Okay, threes toy cars. Okay, so with only one like this at the moment, what did the teacher say? How do you ask the question, and how do you answer? Okay, with only one like this, you're gonna say Can you make a question to me? We're gonna say what? Okay, so check the answer together. Whose toy car is this? Okay, you see, whose toy car is this? Okay, again, toy car here has only one. Okay, toy car. So we say is this, not are. Okay, we say is this. How do you answer? Whose toy car is this? Are you going to answer they are or it is? Alright, when something only one like this, you're gonna say it is. Okay, not they are. It is her toy car. It is her toy car. Okay. Okay, continue to this one. There are 3 toy cars. It's meant as plural nouns. So when 3 like this, you're gonna put s, right? Okay, so when you put s, what are you going to say here? Can you make the question now? Whose what is it? Okay, let's check now. Whose toy cars are these? Okay, whose toy cars are these? Again, this one is toy car no s with s. Okay, and here toy car with s we use with are. Okay, whose toy cars are these? Okay, you want to answer, what do you say? You're gonna say it is or they are. It is or they are. Okay, you're gonna say they are. As teacher talk at the moment, when the noun here is more than one, we're gonna say they are. Okay, 2 up used with they are. So they are his toy cars. Toy car, don't forget s. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for you to practice now. Okay, so I hope that you get understood with this. Now I just want you to practice. Okay, what you have to do is to make the question with whose. Okay, make the full sentence. Okay, complete sentence with whose. Now the teacher have the word book and these. So make the question with whose. Alright, teacher said when you want to make a question with whose, the first thing you need to start with whose, right? So teacher, let's you see example number 1. Okay, so you're gonna say whose. Okay, and then books in here is s, so you can say whose book. You put book the same thing, and because book are plural, we say with are. Okay, not is. So whose book are these? Whose books are these? Okay. Number 2, pen. Pen here has no s. It means only one. Okay. So when only one like this, what are you going to ask? You're going to say are or say is. Okay, so check the answer now. Alright, you can say whose pen is that? Okay, whose pen, here pen. Okay, whose pen is that, not are that. Okay, but say is that. Number 3, jacket that. See, jacket no s. Okay, so you're gonna say whose jacket is that, or whose jacket are these? Okay, jacket no s, so I'm gonna say whose jacket is that? Whose jacket is that? Okay. Number 4, the last one, caps. These. Okay, look at the word cap here. There has letter s. It means that plural, 2 up. Okay. So 2 up like this, you're gonna say whose. What's it? Okay, see the answer. Whose caps are these? Whose cap are these? Okay, not is this, but are these. Alright, let me continue. One more practice. Answer the question. Okay, now teacher make the question already. What you have to do is to answer the question with the correct forms. Okay, they are or it is. Okay, look at the question first before you answer they are or it is. Okay, question say whose books are these? Okay, so book here is plural, mean took up. So when something took up like this, you're gonna say it is her books or they are her books. Okay, answer her books. But you're gonna say it is her book or they are her book. Okay, ready? Check answer now. Okay, you can see they are her books. They are her books because book has s. Okay, so we say they are, not it is her books. No. Okay, number 2, whose pen is that? Look at the word pen. Mean one or two up here. Okay, pen here no s, so it is only one. Okay, so only one, you're gonna say they are or you say it is. Of course you're gonna say it is. Okay, so you're gonna say it is his pen. Okay, it is his pen. Number 3, whose jacket is that? Whose jacket is that? Then say Lida's jacket. Answer Lida's jacket. So now make the answer. Whose jacket is that? Jacket no s. Okay, so you're gonna say it is Lida's jacket. It is Lida's jacket. Okay. The last one, number 4. Whose caps are these? Whose caps are these? Cap with s. Okay. Answer is say Joe's caps. Mean a cap for Joe's. Okay, so how do you answer? Whose caps are these? You can say it is or they are. Okay, cap with s, so you're gonna say they are Joe's caps. They are Joe's cap. Okay. Alright, so I hope that you got it. So that's it for our lesson today. So here is the homework for you to practice at home. So copy this into your notebook, okay, and take the picture and then send it to me. Okay, so homework here, what you're gonna do is make the question using whose. Okay, make question using whose. You can see the word computer, that. Okay, so gonna start with whose. Okay, be careful, computer here have s or not? No s. Okay, just look at this. So if no s like this, you're gonna say whose computer is that, or whose computer are these. Okay, so which one are you going to use? So look at it carefully. Just read for you, so you're gonna make the sentence by yourself. Number 2, lunchbox, this. Okay, lunchbox singular. Water bottles, bottle here. Okay, with s. And sneakers, okay, with s. And sweater, no s. Okay, so again, 1 to 5, make the complete question by using whose. Okay, homework number 2, make the question using whose. I'm sorry, not make the question. Oh, I forgot to check. Okay, here is answer. Okay, make the, not making the question, but you write down the answer. Okay, because the question have already. Okay, so example number 1 say whose phones are these? Whose phones are these? Answer her phone. But what you have to write, you're gonna write the full sentence. Okay, so you can say it is her phones or they are her phones. Okay, which one is correct? It is her phone or they are her phone. Okay, number 2, whose pencil is that? Okay, so you're gonna say it is Dara's pencil or they are Dara pencil. Okay, write down here. Number 3, whose book is this? Answer is my book. Number 4, whose eraser is that? Answer his eraser. Number 5, whose scissors are these? Your scissors. Okay, so again, write the correct answer by using the phrase from the brackets here. Okay, that's it everyone for today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching this video. So we're gonna see you tomorrow. Okay, goodbye everyone, see you tomorrow.